Hey guys, it's Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. I want to show you what we've just finished. This boat here, we did a custom roof chop for him. So the windscreen sat back about here, and we ended up taking a section out, sliding the whole thing forward, glassing it up, and we've ended up painting it and done some other little mods to the boat at the same time. It's been a long project to repaint all this blue area and white area, this top deck, but I reckon it's come up pretty good. The customer's over the moon, so that's good. So part of the challenge was that we were missing a section once we moved this part forward. So what we ended up doing was we ended up moulding a section off here. We made a quick mould, and then we were able to make this section, and we used the same mould to make another section over here. And then we had to marry it all in. So we tack it in position just with some little stitches, and then glass it in from the inside and from the outside, and then use some filler to finish the job off. So that was one of the challenges. Another challenge was making sure this was going to be strong enough, because we had to cut it and change the shape of it. We ended up putting a piece of timber in through the back here. That brought the strength back up again and glassed over that. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next video.